Bullish ramp cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 11 cents and 25 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept ramp could reach 11 cents by 2025. Bearish ramp market cost expectation for 2022 is 2 cents. Ramp presentation. Since its send-off in 2020, Ramp has figured out how to stand out as a multi-chain loaning stage that empowers clients to boost their crypto returns. Be that as it may, Ramp's previous presentation has been very conflicting, with a few ups and downs. Notwithstanding that, Ramp is as yet viewed as a coin of revenue in the digital money market, with promising future outcomes. Assuming you're interested about the cost of Ramp, you're perfectly positioned. In this video, we've summed up Ramp cost expectations, from Ramp cost today to average cost, current cost, past execution, verifiable information, least cost, normal exchanging cost, and most extreme cost, as well as thinking about whether Ramp coin is supposed to be a wise speculation for what's to come. For our exhaustive Ramp cost gauge, continue to peruse. What is Ramp? Ramp DeFi is a decentralized multi-faceted driving stage intended to support DeFi reception. It was established by Lo Zhengrong and Lawrence Lim to expand capital proficiency on stacked computerized resources. Ramp permits non-Ethereum clients to stake coins on Ethereum stages, and Ethereum clients can likewise utilize Ramp's foundation to expand their yields. Ramp enables clients to acquire yields on collateralized resources, permitting them to move coins consistently across different blockchain networks. The Ramp token is given as a component of the Ethereum network as an ERC20 token, opening extra liquidity, and serves numerous different capabilities on the protocol as utilized. This framework boosts capital productivity as well as permits clients to open liquidity from marked resources and stack various yield streams immediately. Clients who are now a piece of the Ethereum blockchain can mint USD at zero charges by storing their ERC20 tokens into Ramp's liquidity pool. This framework permits both RUSD and EUSD holders to acquire, loan, or trade their tokens unreservedly, and make liquidity for clients. Through symbolic consumes, Ramp holders can get esteem back on the coins they hold. Ramp's one-of-a-kind selling point is the way it furnishes clients with the least getting expenses and probably the most elevated store yields on insurance resources. Ramp specialized examination. Ramp's creation was fundamentally incited by the soaring development of the marking economy. And as this development heightens, the cost of Ramp coin is likewise liable to increment. Like other digital currencies, there is a restricted greatest stockpile of Ramp tokens, meaning something like 1 billion tokens will at any point be made. The coin can never again be printed, and any Ramp consumed is forever eliminated from dissemination. This makes Ramp DeFi safe to expansion, a solid sign that Ramp's worth will probably keep on rising. A larger part of crypto lovers are likewise putting down their wagers entrance's future cost development, referring to high utility, sensible tokenomics, and significant use cases as proof that Ramp is a wise venture. As the DeFi crypto industry grows much further, specialists have assessed that the cost of Ramp will probably ascend from here on out, and any speculation could bring great returns. Ramp key investigation. A larger part of DeFi stages are Ethereum-based, leaving out non-Ethereum clients. Ramp DeFi tends to this basic market hole. The Ramp stage is great for fighting this issue and engaging non-Ethereum clients to use the advantages of DeFi. Along these lines, Ramp harbors a one-of-a-kind market potential with great possibilities arriving at new highs later on. Ramp permits clients to acquire yields by cultivating or marking on their capital, collateralizing their capital, getting RUSD stablecoin, and afterward utilizing that coin to make different speculations all simultaneously. This effective framework permits clients to appreciate significant yields on speculation on their resources and all the while remove liquidity. Ramp DeFi offers a plenty of highlights, including yield cultivating valuable open doors, a cross-chain liquidity span, and marking rewards. Basically, Ramp outfits clients with a particular situation to procure huge benefit and open liquidity, all while tending to a serious digital currency market hole. Ramp current cost. Ramp is as of now worth 2 cents USD. Ramp has moved 6.30% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,651. Ramp is as of now positioned 1448 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $18,355,532 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Ramp to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Ramp value expectation 2022. Ramp, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Ramp cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 3 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 3 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Ramp is supposed to have a base worth of 3 cents. Ramp Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, ramp cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ramp will before long outperform 6 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the ramp's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ramp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 5 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 5 cents. Ramp Value Expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 8 cents and ramp might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Ramp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 8 cents and a low of 7 cents in 2024. Ramp Value Forecast 2025. In the event that ramp effectively helps market feeling among digital money aficionados, the ramp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ramp will be green in 2025. The ramp is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 11 cents, with a base cost of 10 cents and a typical cost of 10 cents. Ramp Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ramp cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 13 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 12 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ramp has a most extreme value worth of 14 cents. Ramp Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 15 cents. On the off chance that ramp figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 16 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help ramp needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 15 cents. Ramp Value Expectation 2028. While ramp is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 17 cents and a yearly cost close above 19 cents in 2028. Ramp Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, ramp will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 20 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 21 cents, averaging out at 20 cents. Interoperability is the future of blockchain and DeFi, and is a center mission that Ramp DeFi holds on. This focuses to the interesting and maybe even progressive potential ramp holds to turn into the sign of DeFi, giving new open doors to DeFi financial backers and advancing the smooth motion of assets. With more prominent interconnection, there will be higher worth exchange to ramp, a solid sign for consistent future development. With everything taken into account, obviously Ramp DeFi is a promising under